And we're ready to finally finish up this lesson by talking about how we can save this preset after all that we've covered. First of all, let's make sure everything is correct. You notice that the custom preset here, 1175 by 900 by 72 ppi, is exactly the preset that matches the details over here. Once again, let's make sure you have 1175 pixels by 900. We have the landscape orientation, 72 ppis, RGB. This needs to be white, and this last two will showcase display and square pixels. I believe we're ready to go ahead and save this. Okay, so this is a very good preset, gives you a lot of room to do some work, and I like to refer to this throughout these tutorials. Now, there is an icon here, an arrow going into an open box. I'd like for you to click on that, but at the same time, I'm going to ask you to highlight standard preset and copy it. So Command C if you're using a Mac, Control C if you're using Windows. Let's go ahead and click on this little icon here. And now you'll see that it'll take you to a different section called Save Document Preset. And where it says saved one, let's go ahead and paste standard preset. And you'll notice once again all the dimensions we've entered before. And let's go ahead and click Save Preset. And the preset now appears if you look at the menu. Okay, normally we would be looking at recent menu, and I haven't been speaking about the menu yet, but here I have. So if I want that preset again, the standard preset, I click on saved, and there it is right there. I double click, and it is right there again. So let's go back to where we were, create new, and click on the saved menu. There it is again. I had saved the 2000 by 2000 icon some time ago. These are templates, and while I'm in the mode of talking about the menu, all that you see here, from photo to print to art illustration over here, they're simply templates of work that was done previously that you can use. Okay, or there are other presets as you see over here. Notice that's the dimensions here. Some of them are 1920 by 1080 by 72. If you click on print, you'll notice that all these icons, these preset icons, end in 300 ppi. Alright, well, I think that just about concludes this lesson. Hope you enjoyed. I know it was long. It's going to be the longest lesson that we have here in the Photoshop course, but it was well worth it because now you're fully informed of the graphic details involved in good photoshopping. And so let's go ahead and continue to the next lesson.